Discover the magic of custom jewelry design in Kelowna, British Columbia, at Jewellery Clinic, where your vision becomes a stunning reality. From engagement rings to heirloom restorations, we bring your ideas to life. Our expert goldsmiths specialize in handcrafted pieces that reflect your unique style and story. Every custom creation begins with a conversation and ends in timeless elegance. We work with gold, platinum, and a wide selection of precious gemstones to design jewelry that's one of a kind. If you can dream it, we can make it. We take pride in guiding you through every step of the design process. Whether you're creating something new or repurposing a family piece, your satisfaction is our top priority. Do you have a sentimental stone or an old piece you'd like to have transformed? Our Kelowna team will craft something meaningful and modern just for you. We also offer complete jewelry repairs, resizing, and appraisals on-site, with skilled and trusted hands. Every service is completed with care and craftsmanship. Visit us at jewelleryclinickelowna.ca or call us at 236-420-0340 to start your custom journey today. Jewellery Clinic, Kelowna, where your story shines.